Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is guidance. It's time to work smart, not hard. Act spirit in your meditation life, your prayer life, going out into the elements, however you communicate. There's multiple ways to communicate with the Most High. So the way that you do it, however you communicate, ask for wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, and then have a humble heart enough to be able to embrace it. Take the wisdom, implement it, and then skyrocket to the next level. In times of uncertainty, I ask God to guide me to the light in my being. I'm directed to doors that will open to my inner freedom and a step forward in trust. I release my fate to God, and my faith is rewarded. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.